2001 Dodge Ram 1500. The hinge pins for the glove box are made out of plastic and built into part of the dash. And when that pin breaks out, you need a new dash. This is a real simple little fix. It was actually picked up on a forum, and I put in a YouTube together just to help explain it. This is a bracket that holds a 2x4 to a fence. It's been cut in half, and that bracket then is being fabricated into that hinge pin. This is a roll pin and a few minutes worth of work to make this bracket, and we're going to replace all three of these, which are broken. This side over here is broken, and that glove box just falls out of place. So when I get this completed, I'll show you the finished results. Okay, after a couple hours, maybe an hour and 45 minutes of fabricating and making hinges for this glove box, they're finished. They're 2x4 brackets sold at a big box store for 2x4s to fence posts or whatever. Roll pins will fit in here, and that's what those are. And the glove box will hinge on 3 places. So no longer available unless you buy the entire dash. This is ridiculous to have to do this kind of a mod to make a glove box work, but it does work. And the glove box will fold in here like that and close. So there's our finished product. Hinges for a glove box on a 2001 Dodge. It can be done using the original screws into the dash supports, and buy a 1 5/8 inch wide 2x4 plate mount at your hardware store. Real minor adjustments, and the glove box opens and closes like it's supposed to, and looks pretty clean from down below. You can see the hinges, but just barely. So done deal.